Hands-on class in process. Practice makes perfect. Next stage in the practice for the class is wooden dowels. And then after that, her own fingers. Now practicing on herself. Are you flipping these people off? No, she's not. She's working on her application right now on herself. Being a perfectionist keeps throwing out different lip balms. We learning to file. Okay, so we're here with Bria. She just finished a class. We did a 3-hour hands-on. Let's show us your work. I did this one. She did these two. She did very well. Very good work. Okay, focus. Really, phone? Alright, let's turn it this way. So you did very good work. Shaping is on point. Alright, so how was the class?
Oh, it was great. I didn't even notice how fast it went.
Me neither, actually. 3 hours actually goes by faster than you usually think. Do you feel like you learned anything?
Oh, yes.
Yes?
I feel like I wasted a year in school. And in 3 hours, I learned. It's just, having someone direct you.
Yeah.
It's like I second guess myself. So having someone there to be like, okay, no, you were on the right path. Or like, no.
Okay.
Totally changed.
Okay. So, any takeaways? Like, what do you think you're going to be doing in the next few months?
Taking clients.
Yes.
Finally.
Taking clients. So,
that's the goal.
That's the goal? Okay. I want to say thank you so very much for coming, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
No problem.
I learned too much.
All right.
I'm like, I need a nap.
Not a nap.
Yes.
Thanks, guys.